we're actually going to be doing scale factors on graphs. This is typically known as dilation in most cases. Dilation has specific points. Usually you have to dilate from the origin or a specific place. For what we're going to be doing, we just need to be able to represent that this is the exact figure that is being dilated. So we are still working on scale factor. So we're going to take a figure and we're just going to make it bigger or smaller. That's the same definition for dilation. The scale factor is the ratio at which it's taking place at. Dilation is typically more of an 8th grade standard. So we're going to get a grid. And I'm going to start basic. I'm going to start from the origin, and we'll go with just a plain rectangle. And I'm going to make it, let's make sure we're even numbers, 8 by 10. Now you notice I don't have any dimensions listed, but because I am on this grid, I can tell its actual size. Now I'm going to apply a scale factor. We're going to go easy. We're going to do a scale factor of 1/2. Well, if that's the case, then I know the distance from here to here on the left side of the rectangle is 10. So if I do a scale factor of 1/2, I just multiply that by 10 and I get 5. So now my new measurement goes right here. From the top of the triangle, from here to here, is 8. And so I just, once again, I take 8 and I multiply it by 1/2. I get a new scale factor distance of 4. So from the origin, I travel over 4. And this is actually the creation of a new figure. It is a 5 by 4 rectangle scaled down. We do the exact same thing for the origin. Now, what if I was given a situation where the figure was not on or wasn't about the origin? So let me give my grid a second to load up. So, same principle. I'm not given the measurements, but I can actually count out how far and how much of this figure is. This is a 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4. A 2 by 4. Now, let's say I'm going to apply this scale factor of, let's keep it easy. We'll go 5 over, no, I don't want to do 5. Let's do 3 over 1. So with dilation, you would have to dilate from a specific point. They'll tell you dilate from the origin, dilate from this. However, with scale factor, we're just going to try to represent the same figure again with its new dimensions. So I'll just take 2 times 3 over 1 and 4 times 3 over 1. So my new dimensions is actually a 6 by 12. I just got to create that triangle. Sorry, that rectangle. So I want to actually travel a distance of 6, and I want to go over 12. So I want to go up 6, and I want to go over 12, and there I have my new dimensions, a 6 by 12 new dilated figure. Right. I'll put one up just for you to try out. This will be the last of the video, so if you pause it on this, just know that this is the end. There isn't anything else, but it is something that would be good for you to bring into class to show evidence that you have watched the video. And so it'll be very similar to the last one I did. We'll do a 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll just do a scale factor of 2 over 1. Okay? So try that out, bring it into class.